Here are 5 reasons why cortisol is destroying your immune system. Cortisol is a stress hormone which is released in response to stimuli that are threatening your homeostasis. Exposure to chronic stress increases both susceptibility to infections and overall duration of sickness. First of all, cortisol shuts down white blood cells. It induces the process of programmed cell death of lymphocytes. Eventually, this leads to a reduction in their numbers to very low levels, a condition called lymphocytopenia, which puts you in a very dangerous situation because T and B cells form adaptive immune system, which fights off viruses and bacteria. Secondly, over the years, cortisol decreases the size of lymphatic nodes and thymus, which are basically training camps for B cells and T cells. As a result, the quantity of these cells will decrease as well. Thirdly, cortisol creates breakdowns in inter- and intracellular barriers, which increases susceptibility to viral infections and bacterial infections. The most common example is intercellular barrier between cells in your gastrointestinal tract. When it loses its integrity, bacteria and antigens can easily enter your bloodstream, which can result in chronic infections and even autoimmune diseases. Speaking of which, chronic stress exposure to stress is known to induce and increase the inflammation. When the stress is severe, for example due to bereavement, the increase in inflammation can lead to an autoimmune disease, a condition in which your immune cells can't tell the difference between your own cells and foreign cells, causing the body to attack normal cells. Finally, cortisol shuts down NK cells, which play a major role in stopping the development of tumors and viral infections. That is one of the reasons why nowadays there is a significant increase in cancer diagnosis among relatively young individuals, 15 to 40 years old.